Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to hide ratings during live games on the Chess.com app. This feature helps you focus on the game without distractions from your opponent's rating. Let's get started. First, open the Chess.com app on your Android phone. Tap on the More option at the bottom right corner. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Next, tap on Play to access gameplay-related options. Now, choose Live Games to access Live Play Settings. Enable the option Hide Ratings during the game by turning the toggle on. Now, your opponent's ratings will be hidden while you play live games, helping you concentrate better on your moves. This simple setting can improve your experience on Chess.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful Chess.com tips. See you in the next video.